Hey ladies, it's me, April, and I want to go ahead and do a really kind of like an update video of what I did last time with my, the tour that I had did a while back on all my polishes and stuff like that. Last time it was all about polishes. This time I want to go ahead and do it with like acrylics and updating my polishes and stamping plates and all that goodness. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you right now. I have my lockup here. Let me turn that to you guys. So you guys can see that I have like so much stuff back here, just so much, and that I need to clean. I need to clean it, and what we're gonna do, you're gonna watch me while I'm taking all the stuff out, putting all the stuff back in, and then cleaning it afterwards. I will be having it in a time lapse, so you guys don't have to see all the taking forever. I do have a lot of stuff. Alright, so that's it. That's pretty much what I'm going to say for right now. Just, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye! Hey ladies, it's me, April again, and as you can see, I pretty much did this side of my cleaning up, and I had just so much stuff. I took everything out, and then I'm going to put everything back in, and I haven't even done this side yet. That's going to have to be another video because I just did too much for too long, and it was just like hot, so yeah, I can show you what I did in here. My back, I put like extra stuff in there. I would have to clean that out soon because before my husband sees it, but yeah, so I think I did a pretty good job, and so let me show you. It looks now that I have more room, so you guys can see, as you can see here on the top, I have like things that I'm going to pretty much use quite a lot. I have my nail tips up there, and then I have like other things, that I'm going to need. Then we have the acrylics. Down here we have the acrylics and glitter, and my lamp, my flexing hand is up there as well. All of these are kind of like the essentials, like, the liquids, the stuff that I need for my nails, the files, the brushes, extra acrylic powder, have that there as well. And then everything down here is pretty much a lot of stuff that I'm really not going to use anytime soon, or if not, if I do, it's like 1 or 2 or 3 times maybe that I'm going to use it for. So, but that is pretty much it. That is my area. I mean, to me, it does look a lot cleaner, and I'm excited. So, but anyway, it'll be another video so you guys can see this part of the side, because there is a lot that I need to move around and clean and stuff like that. This little rack right here is my tonics. I have a lot of tonic nail polishes, And behind that, there's another little rack that I have, and it's never enough polish. So that's what I have there. And then here I have a bunch of like other polishes and stuff like that. And back here I have all my stamping plates, and I have a bunch of like other little things. But other than that, we are gonna go ahead and go. And thanks guys for watching. And if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. Okay, bye.